today's video, I have a short tutorial on scrapping out an aluminum car radiator. I made this special section just for Scrappin' Pallet Man and anybody else who wants to see how easy it is to separate the plastic tanks that are attached to them. You won't believe it when you see. And then I have a short trip to Harbor Freight Tools, as I like to call it, because their tools are kind of scary. Actually, scarier than me, but okay, Scrappin' Pallet Man was one of the YouTube scrappers that had one of these kind of aluminum radiators with the plastic tanks, and I guess he said he didn't know how to do it effectively to get the tanks off, and it's very easy. Okay, just take a hammer and well, you could take a screwdriver too, and you could if you don't want to use a hammer, and you could pry these tabs out right here with a flat screwdriver or with the claws of a hammer. You can pry them out. That always works, especially if you have like a workbench to work off of. You could peel on them like that and they bend out. Or you could be a little bit more Cro-Magnon and just take the hammer and hit the edge of the Of course, if you want to maintain your eyesight, maybe you might want to wear safety glasses, which I'm not. But by banging on the tabs right there, I got them to peel away from the tank. Now, of course, there's another side to do, but I want to try and be lazy. I don't want to have to work too hard. I already work hard enough finding this stuff. So I take it on the side that I smashed in. Take one of these transformers, or you could use any other kind of block, but I just grabbed this because it's handy. You put that plastic tank right there on there, and you curb stomp it. Look at that. Tank is off. Now I got the other side to do. What do you think? It worked for me. Oh yeah. Have a trip to this place. These tools, I mean, they're cheap, but they suck. Well, why are you buying them? Because they're cheap. It's battery powered impact wrench. I mean, it's good for wrecking lawnmowers and stuff like that, but it really doesn't have any balls. I see they do stuff like how I do. I need a battery for mine and the charger. They do like I do. Each thing sold separately. So they are cheap, but that's how cheap gets expensive. Decisions. Personally, I'd rather have a Craftsman, but it's, you know, it's the money. The money. I see now they have like a new brand here. Hercules. That's because like the Chicago Electric brand has been smoked. It's total garbage. So they come out with something that's a little bit better. And then there's like this other brand right here. Another fake brand. Bauer. Yeah. Prices are cheap. So am I. And we got the man's tools here. Actually, I got one just like this. Thing works perfect off of an inverter on the battery of my truck. I found the one that I have, but today it dropped. There's the display model. 54 bucks. They work okay. Not perfect. What do you want for that? Well, actually I want something with a little quality. Yeah. See, the problem is I'm so used to looking at this stuff by the curb being thrown out that when you go into a store, nearly everything that you look at is garbage. Because you're like, oh, I found that. That part's broken. Oh, I found those before. That's broken. Like these generators. $600 for something that I've found by the curb before and, totally burnt out. Predator beats Honda. Yeah, only in price. There's no way that this thing beats a Honda. You don't find anything? Maybe. I'm looking. Thank you. I like the selection. $109. How many watts is this thing? 2 cycle. 900 maximum watts. 700 watts. Fine, loud as hell. 2 cycle. Alright, this is the man store. Man, I think I found you by the curb. And I found you by the curb before. And I found you by the curb before. Definitely. And I found you by the curb. I haven't found you by the curb, but I think you were in a lawn tractor that I found. Now, why would you go and buy a replacement engine for $699 for some lawn tractor that you threw a rod on when you could go and find one? You just drive around long enough, you'll find one being thrown out. Probably got like a fan belt busted or something, because people don't know how to fix nothing. Alright, I think I'll end this segment. Well, I remember I had one of these things a long time ago, and I remember I ruined it because I thought, oh well, why buy the sand when I have a cottage over by the beach and just use that sand, because there's just endless supply of sand for free. And I put it in there, and yeah, beach sand, it didn't work. I ruined the tool. Special kind of stupid. Well, yeah, I got all these. I'm looking for one of these, but I don't know. It might be better just to buy the whole thing. It's only $13.
Let me know if you have any questions.
Thank you. This one's only $13.39. A lot of the pieces I'll end up losing though. Oh, we got more of this down here. Redundancy. That's gonna be the 4th time that person walked by, asking if I needed help. Just checking on what I'm doing. I don't know. I think they'll just go with this kit.